Hi guys, we are going to run over this channel, and this is one of my oldest channel, and we're going to see through it about how much YouTube pay me for making almost 300,000 faceless views on this channel. This channel is still monetized as we're talking right now, and I'm still making a couple of dollars from it. So before we go directly and reveal how much this amount of views generate for us, let's see over the years how much do we make each year. Yeah, and the views we had. So going from the lifetime, I think I started this channel 2022, right? Yeah, I started this channel 2022. So but even though it was 2022, I think we didn't make anything in 2022. We started making something 2023, but then we can go on and still check 2022 first. So let's look through this and see how much we make. So 2022, that's first year, I think. Yeah, first year we made 14,000 views estimately, and we made 572 watch hours, 481 subscribers, and we made $0. Of course, that's what we made that day, that time. So let's go on from 2023 to 2024. I think that should be our first year of monetization, right? I think we're going to monetize within this year, but yeah, you can just check it, instead of speculating. 2023 to 2024. Apply. Yeah. So 2023 to 2024, we make 58 million views. That's our first year of monetizing. 672 watch time and 213,000 subscribers, and we made estimate of $4,000 on our first year, as you can see. So I think we got monetized October 6th, right? Yeah, October 6th. That's when we got monetized on this channel, and since then we've been making money. We've reached a month whereby we've made, I think, $150. Yeah. So let's see, 2024 to 2025, how much do we make? I'm reviewing this with you guys, and I think this year should be the largest year ever, of course. So this year we made 166 million views, 2.1 million watch time, 512 subscribers this year. We made $18,000, as you can see. Made $18,000 from the first of 2024 till the end of 2025. First of 2025, yeah. So somewhere like that. So, but then after that year, 2025 to 2026, as you will make, I think, we made 64 million views, 197 watch or 10,000 subscribers. It was a very, very dark year for this channel. Then I made $4,000 the whole of 20. I didn't notice this. We just all viewing it together. So going back to what brought us to this, checking it all lifetime, how much does 294 estimated 300 million views, but for us is $26,000, $27,000. Yeah. So I think that's it, and until we meet on the next video. Ciao.